did the conference today, that is, includes the one infra and goods. And after that, we have to open the documents submitted for the legislative for the next conference, which is but before going further, I request everybody to stand for the prayer of the benediction of Peter Marie. Thank you, Sir Peter. Kami kasi sa benediction of Peter, kaya magaling magtagalog. We acknowledge the presence of the back members, Sir John Bukaw, Sir Julius Garcia, Sir Peter Lagin, the typical working group of the regional committee, Sir Edgar, Sir Julio, Sir Julius Garcia, the back secretary, Ma'am Pilita, thank you very much. Ma'am Charlie, we have the, our partner in development, Ma'am Annie Hernandez, siya din Salvador, and certified din natin Salvador. Good morning, once again. Let's proceed to the agenda of the private conference today. We have we will go first to the infrastructure project. The first agenda will be the brief presentation installation by the regional committee of the basic compact data, the recordings of billing documents. The documents to be submitted by the bidders includes the technical component of the bid and the financial component of the bid, and the criteria procedure for eligibility. Number two will be questions or comments from bidders to be answered verified by the bid and own committee or the representative from the bid. And after that, we will proceed to other matters. And finally, the summary of proceedings. So, let's proceed to the basic contract data for the credit conference for the project 23-099. May kopya ka dyan? Budalan. So, contract ID 23-0099. So the contract length of this project is capital outlay, convergence and special support program. This is sustainable infrastructure project. Alleviating, that's or this is what we call the SIPAG. Assist work and for bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public building facilities. Construction of Balbalasang Saltan Road, run by Balbalasang, Balbalan. So this project is located at Balbalan. The approved budget for the contract of this project is 7,720,000. The source of fund is from fiscal year 2023, Article 11936, February 2023. This is current. The duration of this project to be implemented with the critical challenges. The following categories of the work: city, roads, construction, PCCP, RCSPS, roads, construction, stock protection using structural issues. So, the similar major categories of the work are RRP, road rehabilitation, PCCP, RCTP, road construction, tunnel, PCCP. FCSPS, this is the flood control construction protection using issues. FHR, flood control hydraulic on river controls. The cost of bidding for bidding document for this project is 10,000 for this particular project. The date of advertisement was November 21, 2023, and the clearance is now November 20, 2023, 10 o'clock. The opening of the bid will be December 12, 2023. That is all for our. That is for the basic contract data of the infrastructure project. Letter B, the requirement of bidding document. This includes the instruction to bidders that we have to we had prepared the general condition of the contracts. Here, the special condition of the contract. This includes the specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and the costs. So, this here, all idea. Letter C, once it is the document submitted by the bidders, these documents are the technical component of the bid and the financial component of the bid. So for further explanation, may I ask Mr. Bukang to digest or expound what's one technical component of the financial component of the bid.
Good morning, everyone. For the requirement for the bid proposal to be submitted for the prospective bidders, we have here the requirement for the technical and financial component. For technical component, we have here the field certificate. It should be updated all legal documents from the annex issued when updated. Uh, it's also instructed that you still include the pickup license, uh, statement of all ongoing and budget awarded contracts, single largest contract completed, and FCC, annual financial audited, asset, bid security. The contractor may opt to use from any different bid security offered by this procuring entity. They may also use the bid securing bid securing declaration duly notarized. For project requirement, organizational chart. For the organizational chart, it should be supported for the qualification of the personnel, certificates or licenses. List of contractors personnel, list of contractors equipment. For the list of contractor equipment, it should also include the supporting documents, proof of ownership or delivery receipts, registration of equipment, and includes also the laboratory apparatus. This also needs a supporting documents, proof of ownership, and omnibus zone statement. It should, as always reminded, this will contain 10 statements duly notarized. There's a there's the component of the technical bid proposal. So financial bid proposal, we have here the bid form, bid prices, in the bill of quantities, detailed estimate, and cash flow. These are the component of the financial bid proposal. The technical and financial proposal should be put into a single envelope to be sealed and properly labeled as per the instructions in the as per the instruction in the bid data. It should be properly sealed and labeled. So the bid proposal for the prospective bidder should be submitted on or before the deadline stated in the bid instructions. Next is the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed estimate of bids, post qualification and award. So upon the deadline, all bid proposal submitted, uh, duly received and properly received and pass all the requirement during submission, uh, will be open just after if the forum just after the deadline. The bid opening will follow. For eligibility check, technical bid proposal will be first this is the first open, and it will be checked as per the checklist. So it should be passed and paid. But if there are evidence of spurious document, it may they will be automatically disqualified or non-compliance. So as I have said, it will be passed and paid for the presence of the documents, the documents. It will be simultaneously processed through the civil work application, the electronics eligibility check for BPWS. It will be subjected for electronics eligibility. So, if the bid proposal pass the technical and the electronics eligibility, uh, the financial component will be open. So, financial component will be open based on past and failed requirement. But as I've said, if there are visible erroneous or spurious content of documents, they may be automatically disqualified. So if the financial component pass the requirement, this proposal will be read. Will be read. After that, it will be subject for post qualification by the technical working group for checking all correctness and all verification of all submitted documents and documents. If the prospective bidder pass the post qualification, they will be notified for to submit the requirement or to enter with the contract with this office. So these are the requirements for documents for bid proposal and opening of bid proposal. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Joel, for the explanation regarding the documents to be submitted by the bidders that compose the technical component and the financial component. Before going further, because the documents to be submitted are the same as the goods, I would like to read also the basic contract data for the 23 GPQ 0101 and 23 GPQ 0103. So, contract ID 23 GPQ 0101, the name of this contract is 2023-11-134, diesel fuel for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2023. It has an approved budget for the contract of 1,646,960 pesos. The source of fund for this procurement will be is from fiscal year 2023 continuing appropriation. So the duration is 10 calendar days. Please take note that the cost of the bidding is 5,000. Cost of bidding document. The advertisement was on November 21, 2022. We had scheduled the private conference today, and the submission and opening of bid for this particular procurement is on December 12, 2023. Before 10 o'clock. Please take note. So, cost of bidding document, 5,000. Opening of bid will be December 12, 2023, before or 10 o'clock. So, all big documents that will be received at the office of the bank before 10 o'clock. Likewise with the contract ID 23 GPQ 0103. This is 2023-11136. Laptop computer, photocopiers, and ink cartridges. This is having an approved budget for contract in the amount of 1,390,000. 1,390,000. The source of fund is from fiscal year 2023 appropriation. So, duration of procurement, duration of deliveries after the bidding will be between this calendars this sector to avoid LP or liquidity damages. Cost of bidding for this 23 GPQ 0103 is 5,000. It was advertised last November 21, 2023. We are having now the private conference in preparation for the opening of bid on December 12, 2023. So, the same as the requirement was read by Sir Joel. So, the criteria and procedure for eligibility check: preliminary examination bid, detailed evaluation bid, post qualification and award. Let's start with the criteria and procedure for eligibility check. So, we have the electronics. We will be checking the eligibility of the prospective bidders to electronics from our central office. If they are qualified. For the preliminary examination of it, we will be evaluating by facilitator criteria and additional checklist as required. And after that, we will be having a detailed evaluation of the bid. This is we are we need the assistance of our technical officer. So this includes mathematical complications and other documents that are needed to be evaluated. And for the post qualification, the plates usually we have to see if there is equipments for the infra and other that are included on submitted documents. We are going to post qualify them with the help of our technical work. And for the award, we will award the contract to the lowest responsive bidder. Meaning to say, lowest lowest bidder having a responsive, having been responsive. So lahat ng mga ano niya, all of the requirements, the bidding documents are complete uh, after post qualification and evaluation of bids. Any more additional from the members of the bid and award committee? Sir Business, any additional information? Sir Julius, again, the second. Hey, the first one, the second. Sir Peter, Sir Joel, and additional. So there being none, we have no other matters to discuss. These are the agenda of our private conference that are included in. We just listened a while ago regarding the brief presentation explanation of the basic contract data the requirements of bidding documents, the documents to be submitted by the bidders that include the technical component of the bid as explained by Sir Joel, and so with the financial component of the bid. And the criteria and procedure for the eligibility check that also include preliminary examination of the bid, detailed evaluation of the bid, post qualification and award. So there being that, our activity for the pre-bid conference is now adjourned. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Pastor.